Here we are checking how to draw vector on a grid. The first one here, x, that is a x-axis direction, that is a horizontal direction, the first one represent. The second one represent y-axis direction, that means vertical direction. Then if it is x is negative, then move left side. If x is positive, then move to right side. That means x value positive, right side, x value negative, left side. Then in y case, it's a vertical direction. If it is negative, move down. If it is positive, move up. Okay, now we can check some vectors. 7, 8. 7 positive, then is the point from here. We can start 7 unit right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 8 unit up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we can plot the point. Then this is the vector AB. That vector is 7, 8. Is the another vector negative 5, 9. Here is the point. Then first one is negative. Then we need to move left side. How many units? 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 9 units, that is a positive. Then move up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mark the point and xy is equal to negative 5, 9. So another vector 6, negative 4. Then take points. 6 unit right side. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 4 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then mark the point. Then joint point is the vector PQ, that is 6, negative 4. That means here the rule, if x is negative, move left side, x positive, move right side. If y case negative, move down, y case positive, move up. Thank you.